Go.
One more new thing from our USA workshop. Here's an NS2. I'm going to flip it over for you. The back is redwood from New York City water tanks that sat on top of the buildings. Were in use for 80 to 100 years. So it's reclaimed redwood on the back. The front is New York State sycamore. And the bridge with this wood package, like this one, will be aluminum. We're going to call this the helium option, meaning it's very lightweight. This base is 7.5 pounds. That's about 2 pounds or more lighter than the standard NS2. The helium option will be available in our regular NS neck through and our Forte USA instruments as well.